Hello, good afternoon, class. How you all doing? How was your weekend? Baba, how was your weekend? Okay, Angela, how about you? Mervin, Nuru, how was your weekend? Michael, how was your weekend? And you watching me, how was your weekend? You're welcome to Class Connect with Mr. K. Class Connect with Mr. K. If it's your first time of coming across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share so that others will benefit from this video. Actually, Class Connect is a class where basic mathematical topics are treated in a very simple manner. So it's beneficial. This video is beneficial to learners in class 1 or from class 1 to JHS 3. The various math topics are treated in a very simple manner. So if there's any topic that you want us to treat, please drop it at the comment section. I will look at it and treat it for you. All right. So in our previous video, we looked at how to find highest factors of a number of numbers, and then how to find multiples of number. All right, so my last video was on multiples of number, and then I gave some homework. Okay, so you can please check up. You can look at that video, and then you see how multiples of numbers are gotten. All right, so I gave homework. I asked you to find the multiples of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. I hope you did it. All right, those of you, yes, those of you sitting there, I hope you all did it. Baba, did you do it? You did it. Wow, let's clap for Baba. Let's clap for Baba. Wow, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. This time the flood did not take your house, right? Your daddy's house, right? All right, so Baba did it. Class people, please collect the homework, put them down, and then as I saw it on the board. All right, so I asked you to find the multiples of 6 and 8 in my previous video. So I'm going to give you the solution here. All right, so if you're asked to find the multiples of 6, what the teacher is trying to tell you is that write the 6 times table. Okay, the multiplication table of 6. In other words, he's trying to tell you that add 6 to itself repeatedly. Keep adding 6 to itself repeatedly. That's what he's trying to tell you, or she is trying to tell you. So you can even use your fingers to calculate this. If you're not conversant with the timetable, you can use your fingers. All right. So let's start with 6. The first is 6. Then you add 6 to itself. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next one is 12. Then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then we go to 18. Then 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then we go to 24. Then you can end with 3 dots. 3 dots means that etc. It means that you can't finish all the multiples of 6 in this world. So it continues. All right. Now the next one, I hope you did it. How many of you got it, class? How many of you got it? Good, good, good. You all got it. I'm so impressed. Meaning we are getting somewhere, right? Right? Good. Now let's go to the multiples of 8. I want someone to come to the board and say it, or better just say it, and then I'll write it. All right. Yes. First one is 8. 8, right? Good. So the first is 8. Now the next one, yes, just add your fingers. All right. You can add it together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the next number is 16. Then 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24. Then we go to 24. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 32. Then you can end it. All right. So this is what I'm expecting you to do, and I hope all of you wrote the same thing as your answers in your homework book. Now I'm going to mark. Baba, are you sure you get everything correct? Are you sure? All right, good. So that's what is what we did in my previous video. Today we are going to continue to find the highest common factors. Highest common factors. Yes. So please write it in your book. Highest common factors. All right. I've already written it on the board. Okay. Now, when you say highest common factors, don't be confused. Don't be alarmed. It's so simple. All right. It's so simple. In a layman definition, I will just say that highest common factors simply means that out of all the factors of the numbers that you've listed, fetch the highest number out of it. Fetch the highest number out of it. That's what that means. All right. So it simply means the largest number of all the common factors. Is the largest number of all the common factors. Do you get it? All right. Now, when you are given numbers and you're asked to find highest common factors, there are three basic steps. The first step is that you have to first of all you start from the F. All right. So you list the factors of the numbers that has been given to you. After listing the factors, write the common numbers out of the factor that you've listed. And then out of the common numbers, you find the highest number out of the common numbers that you've listed. Is that clear? So it follows three steps. The first one is F, that is the factors. And then the second one is C, the common numbers out of the factors. And the third one is H, the highest numbers out of the factors that you've listed. Is that clear? So let's go to, I don't like too much talking. Let's go straight to examples. So you've been asked to find the highest common factors of 12 and 18. Highest common factors of 12 and what? 18. So you take the numbers one after the other. All right. So let's take 12. 12. So 12, and then we're also going to take what? 12 and then 18. So let's first of all go to F. What does the F stand for? The F stand for factors. Good. So the first one is what? F, factors. So we are going to list the factors of 12 and then the factors of 18. They seem too close, so let me bring the 12 down a bit so that it will be neatly presented. So 12 and then what? 18. Now, the factors of 12 simply means that numbers, all the numbers that can divide 12 exactly without a remainder. And if you look at my first video that I did on factors, look at the videos on factors, I showed a very simple way of finding factors. So I believe you now know it. So here we go straight to the point, all right, because of time. All right, so the factors of 12, it means that numbers that can divide 12 exactly without a remainder, or two numbers that you can multiply to get 12. All right, good. So the first one is 1. Of course, 1 times 12 is 12. Second is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Third is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 itself, 6, and then finally 12. Yeah, so please, if you haven't watched my video on factors, kindly watch it, and then you can easily understand what the answers that I'm arriving at on factors. Please watch the video on factors. All right, so we are done with 18. Now let's go to the factors of, if we are done with 12, let's go to the factors of 18 as well. Factors of 18. It means numbers that can divide 18 equally without a remainder. Numbers a bit much 18 and a b and the anchor. These are the factors of 18. So they are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and then 18. Yes. All right. So now we have finished the first one, factors. Let's go to the C, which is common. The common simply means that you look at the factors of 12, then you look at the factors of 18, then you bring the common numbers out. That's what it means. All right. Okay. So let's look at it. The first common number is 1, right? So there's 1. Because there's 1 here, there's 1 there. Let's look at 2. 2. 2 is part. And then we look at 3. 3, 2 is part. Then we look at 6. 6 is here, 6 is part. Now, is there any other number that is common in 12 and 18? Is there any other number? Yes. Yes. Is there any other number? Is there any other number you can see that is common in Baba? You can see. Which number? What? 9. No. Baba, 9 can only be found in 18. 9 is not here. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. So 9 is not. Is there any other number? There's no other number. Good. So meaning that the common numbers out of the 12, we can say common factor. Let's say common factor. All right. The number that can be found in 12 and 18, the common numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now the last one is the H, the highest. The highest. Now the highest means the highest number out of the common number that you've listed. Which of them is the highest? In 6. 6. Therefore, we can conclude that the HCF, therefore, the HCF or highest common factors of 12 and 18 is what? Is 6. Is 6. The HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Very, very simple.